Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Nazir bin Nazri. For the introduction of our product is critical to quality or CTQ is a valuable technique for creating new goods or services for our organization. CTQ are the quantitative information that your customer have selected as important for a product or service. And property of a part, assembly, sub-assembly, product, or process is crucial to quality if it affects the item actual or perceived quality. CTQ will determine process, hazard, and everything else involved in producing and manufacturing the product or delivering the services.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZULHILMI by ABDUL LATIF. I will continue the presentation with the design of our product. The design is a keychain design that is based on engineering theme. We were encouraged to create a product that incorporates the FKP theme. So we added some of the engineering elements in our design, which is whipsaw and the FKP words. Why we choose the whipsaw? We choose a whipsaw design because it symbolizes manufacturing industries. Also, for the FKP word refers to the Faculty of Manufacturing Engineering, that one of the faculty in UTEM. Plus, the size of our workpiece design is within 30 mm times 100 mm. To produce our keychain, the method of cutting that we choose is laser cutting machine process. So, the selection of the cutting method we chose was based on the sketches that is made. Thank you.
Now, I would like to share about the discussion for our project. First is quality criteria. Quality criteria include technical specification, non-functional requirement, and functional requirement. This is quality criteria for our product. First is free from sharp edge or burr. A sharp edge or burr can cause an accident during handling the material. For example, it is easy to cut the operator hands during the assembling and disassembling process. Second is free from scratch. Scratch incur additional costs that has been not budgeted, such as rework costs. It also gives a bad impression for the customer, and the probability of the customer to reject the product is higher. Third is free from tool mark. Tool mark can cause change in material properties that contribute to inaccurate dimension measurement. The physical outlook is also becoming very bad, and there is an additional cost for the rework process. Fourth is good dimension. The dimension of the keychain must be in a small size so it can be suitably attached to an accessory such as bag, handphone, and wallet. It also must lie in weight as it can be carried anywhere. And lastly is good appearance. The product must be in good and beautiful appearance as it will attract the customer attention toward this product because it has a good design and good appearance.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SHAHRUL. I want to talk about manufacturing process flow of the product. So for the first step is design of the product. Next step is raw material selection. And when the material selection is in a good condition, the material will go to a laser cutting machine to build a product. So when the product is tallied with drawing, the final inspection process takes place. Next, I would like to talk about material inspection. So the first is incoming raw material inspection. So the sheet metal that we use is galvanized steel. In this inspection, we must make sure that the steel has high superior surface quality, good strength, excellent dimensional accuracy, and better corrosion resistance. Next is in process inspection. After the technician program the laser cutting machine, the machine start to cut the sheet. In this inspection, we must make sure the keychain product from raw material is done successfully using a laser beam machine. The next is end product inspection. So what we get from this product inspection is the product is free from sharp edge or burr, free from scratch, and also free from tool marks. Besides that, our product also has a good dimension. However, when we working on end product inspection, a defect such as burning marks appear on our keychain product.
For the incoming raw material inspection sheet, certain criteria must be meet the requirement in order to proceed to the next process. The criteria are correct material delivered, correct quantity delivered around 10 pieces, the dimension of the sheet is also correct, which is length 96 inches, width 36 inches, thickness 1.76 inches. The material also must free from defects such as tearing, necking, and wrinkling. The surface finish of the sheet also must achieve a finish of 250 RA. The tolerance for sheet metal shape. The minimum bend must be 0.2 to 0.5 inches. And lastly, the bend radius must be 0.4 to 0.09 inches. For the in-process quality inspection sheet, the following criteria must be followed. First, the CO2 laser machine are regularly serviced, which is free from leakage, optic length, lubricant, filters, and reflectors. Besides that, the dimension of product are according to the original drawing. Third, use the right amount of material to cut the product. And last, machine must be regularly monitored while running. These are the final inspection sheet for the keychain. The products are produced with the right amount of quality. The final dimension of the product must be similar to the drawing. No defects on the finished good. Each product tested severally to test the function, and the product are packed according to proper quantity.
For the conclusion, injection molding is used to create a variety of products, including typical plastic products such as bottle cap, as well as remote control casing, syringe, and other items. Larger products, including as automotive body panel, are also routinely made with it. Injection molding is typically utilized when hundreds or millions of identical components must be produced from a single mold. The ability to scale up production to create a huge number of components is crucial factor of injection molding. The cost of production is quite inexpensive once the initial expenditures of design and mold have been made. As more components are created, the cost of production decreases. Injection molding also produces minimal wastage when compared to traditional manufacturing process like CNC machining, which cut away excess material. Despite this, injection molding does produce some waste, mainly from the sprue, the runners, the gate location, and any overflow material that leak out of the part cavity. Injection molding is utilized in a variety of applications that required for predictable production process. Injection molding is the most popular process for producing plastic parts, especially in large quantity.